gentlemen, this is Captain James T. Shirt speaking on behalf of Air Thistle. We hope you enjoy your trip. As you know, we are travelling at twice the speed of sound, at a height of about 20,000 feet above sea level. The mountain ahead is about 30,000 feet above sea level, and just kidding, folks. Points of interest you might like to see. On your left are the Niagara Falls. And coming up on your right is the Eiffel Tower. Directly in front of your seat is a paper bag. Our lovely hostess will show you how to use them after your meal. Let me assure you, this aircraft is built with the most advanced technical. Likely that anything to go wrong. It won't be your last flight with Air Thistle Airways. Problems at home?
It's my wife.
Why, she left you?
No, she's come back.
Well, could have been worse. She could have brought her mother.
She did.
Captain, Stansted Airport are on the line.
Stansted calling Flight 13. We have information that suggests one of your passengers will attempt to sabotage your flight.
Miss, you've got to stop this plane.
Yes, sir.
I forgot to cancel the milk.
Here, you take the wheel. I'm going to have a look back there.
Hey, look, it's the captain.
Hello. Good evening. Good evening. Good afternoon, if you wish. Hello. Hello. Sorry.
Okay, don't anybody move. This is a hijack.
This aircraft is pressurized. If you puncture the cabin walls, we'll all be sucked into space.
I am not stupid. My gun is loaded with rubber bullets. Now, put your hands up.
Stay in your seats. The captain has everything under control.
Let him go. Thank you. Yes.
There's nothing about this in the brochure.
Flight 13, calling Stansted. We have apprehended hijacker and require police help upon arrival.
Roger, Flight 13. We shall comply with your request.
You'd better lower the landing gear.
Hey, the button's gone.
We'll have to do a crash landing. Contact Stansted. This is your captain, sweating. Air Thistle can now offer you the unique opportunity to participate in a spontaneous crash landing. Thank you.
Did you say crash landing?
I hope this one costs extra.
Hey, we made it.
Congratulations, Captain.
Well done.
Brilliant. Oh, something else.
I was worried there for a while. 13, we have you on our radar. Please get off.